Guess what? I just created this insanely cool AI-generated CGI in literally minutes. And the best part? No Blender, no After Effects, no complicated software needed at all. In this final section, I'll show you how to create product CGI videos for free using just 2 AI tools. No hidden fees, no upgrades needed. Keep watching. The first step for me was actually using AI to help generate the ideas for my prompts. I used ChatGPT to generate the initial image prompts for my product and even gave it a simple prompt for the motion I wanted in the video. I've created a pro-level prompt document that makes everything super easy. You can access it from the description. Just copy the prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. And boom! In seconds, I had 6 different organized prompts ready to go for 6 potential product CGI ads. Super fast brainstorming. Okay, with our prompts in hand, let's look at the generation phase. I first experimented with a platform called Flora AI. Flora AI presents itself as an interesting option because it aims to be a somewhat unified space where you can generate both the image and potentially the video motion directly from that image. To start creating within Flora AI, you typically look for a prominent plus icon, which signifies adding a new element. Clicking that reveals options, and you'll select Image. This opens the image generation interface. Here I simply pasted one of the detailed image prompts that I had crafted with the help of ChatGPT earlier. I pasted in this box, click the Generate button right here, and just give it a few seconds. And look at this. We now have a really impressive, professional-looking CGI image for our product based on that prompt. The detail, the lighting, it's fantastic. Now, if you were satisfied with this generated image and wanted to animate it, Flora AI offers a video feature. If you click the plus icon again after generating the image, you'll see a small video icon appear. Clicking this video icon often allows you to link or drag your previously generated image element into a video creation area on their interface. You would then paste your prompt video motion into a designated box. Paste that prompt, click the button to start the video generation, and within moments, your static product image begins to transform into a dynamic video sequence. That seems pretty integrated and cool, right? But, and this is a critical point if you need a truly free solution. While Flora AI allows you to generate these impressive images and videos within their platform on the free tier, you generally cannot download or export the final high-resolution files unless you subscribe or upgrade to a paid plan. On the free plan, you can create, but you can't take your work off the platform for practical use in your ads. Want this entire process, from images to video, 100% free and downloadable? Here's my proven method using 2 free AI tools that let you keep your final files. First step, take the image prompt we prepared earlier. We're going to use a phenomenal tool called ImageFX provided by Google. Go to the ImageFX website, locate the prompt input area, and simply paste your detailed product image prompt in there. Give it just a few seconds, and there it is. Your high-quality CGI product image is ready. ImageFX is incredibly fast and generates images with exceptional clarity and detail, especially considering it's completely free. Look at the crispness, the materials, the lighting. It looks professionally rendered. If you are happy with the image generated by ImageFX, and you likely will be given the quality, you can download it directly to your computer. It is entirely free to generate and download your creations from ImageFX for many uses. This is another incredibly popular and powerful free AI image generation platform that gives you tokens daily to create images, and importantly, lets you download them. Just write Leonardo AI in Google, click the link to go to their site. Once you're logged in, it's free to sign up with 150 tokens. You'll typically find the AI image generation section. Look for the prompt box right here and paste your product image prompt. You can play with some settings here if you like the AI model or aspect ratio. But for a quick result, just paste your prompt and hit the Generate button. Usually easy to spot. Wait a few seconds, and there are your generated images. Look how good they are. So you have two excellent free-to-use options, ImageFX or Leonardo AI, to generate and download your stunning CGI product image. Choose the one you prefer or try both. This is where the second free tool in our workflow comes in, Studio Google AI. This is also part of the Google/Gemini, and it's a phenomenal tool for turning static images into dynamic video sequences. Once you land on the Studio Google AI site, look at the navigation or options, typically on the left side. You'll find different content types you can create. Click on the video option. Before you even generate anything, I highly recommend taking a moment to look at the example videos they showcase on the page. Notice how smooth the motion is, how natural the camera movements or product animations look. This tool is incredibly capable for image-to-video generation. Now, to generate your video, locate the main prompt input area. Paste your prompt specifically for the video motion here, then find the plus icon or an upload button. Click on that and select Upload Image. Choose the high-quality product image you just downloaded from ImageFX. With your image uploaded and prompt set, click the Run button. Give it a few minutes to process. And boom! Look at that video! Your static image is now animated with smooth, realistic motion. The product looks fantastic and the video quality is incredibly high, especially considering this is a free-to-use tool. You can click here to download your final video file directly from Studio Google AI once it's finished generating. Now, Studio Google AI is amazing and it's completely free to use and download, but it does typically operate on a token system. You usually get a certain number of generations per day. For videos, it might be around 5 tokens daily, for example. That's great for a few videos, but what if you need more? What if you want truly unlimited free image-to-video or even text-to-video generation without any daily limits? All right, this is the secret I promised you. For a truly unlimited tool that can handle both text-to-video and image-to-video and is completely free, you need to check this site out. It's not as widely known in the West yet, but it is incredibly powerful. You need to go to Google and search for this exact address, Yuewen.cn. Now, once you land there, take a moment to scroll and look at the showcase or inspirate videos they have. Pay close attention to the movement. It's often incredibly natural and fluid, making it perfect for product shots or dynamic scenes. You can see the potential for creating compelling visuals immediately. To turn your image into a video here, it's very straightforward. In the main input area, you'll see a small image icon. Click on that. Upload your image here. Then copy your video prompt and paste that into the main text box next to your uploaded image. Finally, locate the Generate button, click it. And now we wait for a few moments. And look at this. The result is absolutely impressive and incredibly cool. The absolute best part about Yuewen.cn? From my testing, you can generate multiple videos here. It seems to offer unlimited generation without the token restrictions you might find elsewhere. It is an incredible free resource for both image-to-video and text-to-video needs. You can easily download your videos directly from the site whenever they are ready. And there you have it. You now have a powerful, completely free workflow to create stunning AI-generated CGI product images and bring them to life as dynamic videos. Thanks so much for watching. See you in the next video.